all is well. Today I will be unboxing something authentic, a Gucci clutch, a cat face clutch. So if you like these types of videos where I unbox authentic to evil twin items, I DIY, I compare bags to review on bags plus more, then please like and subscribe. And if you want to talk fashion style, then DM me on my Instagram at TCP_luxury. Let's get started. It arrived in this huge box. I purchased this from Tradesy, and it's basically in here. I did open it up earlier. Just can't help myself these days. Let's put that down. I purchased this from Tradesy, and I guess the company Rebag is also on Tradesy. I'm assuming Tradesy is kind of like a Poshmark. What did I buy? You probably saw it in the thumbnail, so it's no big surprise. But I got a little bit of Gucci. I always say that. And I know they make evil twins of these, but at least I know that I bought the authentic one and I feel really good about it. Either way, I feel good about purchasing, period. It's my dysfunction. But here it is. Oh my God. Can you see what I bought? I purchased this basically because I love peppermint so much. My smallest little snowshoe breed cat. Oh, never saw this. Rebag apparently provides an authenticity card. Here's the back. Now I've been wanting this beautiful clutch for a very long time. Look at those crystals and the cute cat. Oh my God, so adorable. It also has crystals on the top. Okay, and in the back is Alessandro Michel's favorite number 25. Who knows what else it stands for, but I just know 25. And it's a beautiful clutch with all the crystal embellishments. And up here, and it's a magnetic opening. And it's really, really good condition. Oh, there's 2 dust bags, one for the chain and one for the back. But I'll be displaying her in my case, so I think I'll just leave dust bags inside. It is a magnetic closure. It does have the controllato authenticity paperwork, and there is the serial number. Isn't she so cute? I just love this bag. And these straps, if you choose to use it with a strap, have Gucci on the hardware, and it's plexiglass. It's made out of plexiglass mainly. And I've been wanting this bag for a long time just because I love cats, and it reminds me of peppermint, which you can see. And that's pretty much it. It's a tiny little clutch, and you probably only could fit your cell phone in here. My cell phone, and like a couple cards, and you're good to go. And that's it. Forgive me, I am wearing sweats. So I'm just wearing sweats. So I'm gonna change soon. See, sits here, I'm 5'4", and there it is. I'm a little worried about the closure, but I shouldn't do that, should I? The phone, it is a pretty strong closure, so I'm not worried about that. There isn't a lot of scratches on the hardware. I think there was like, because of the bright lights, I can see like maybe a small one. Well, it was, thought was there. But it's in really, really awesome condition. And I love it. I'm not sending it back. And it has, these come off. And that's pretty much it, folks. That's pretty much the clutch. Small, fast video. So, again, I'll repeat myself over and over again. Do your homework. Get to know authentic pieces. Have them re-authenticated if you're paying a lot of money for them. Most of my bags that are 1,000 and up, I am re-authenticating. Even though it's from a trusted seller, I just want to put my mind at ease. The good thing about Poshmark is they already authenticate it for you. Fashionphile and The Real also authenticate for you, so keep that in mind. Anyway, everybody, I love this little bag. Well, clutch. I am gonna use her because she's so cute and it's spring. Why not? Have a wonderful day, everybody, and talk to you soon. Bye. Sometimes I just don't know what to say.